Let's say I have this screw, and I want to distribute it on this panel texture. First, I add an edge detect node, and for more precision, I switch to a higher resolution. Then I add a fill node. In the fill node, I increase the resolution to make it work, and also check the remove edge option to get a clean bounding box. Now, from the fill node, I add a fill to UV node, and from that, a custom UV node. This node helps distribute the screw onto the tiles. Next, I connect the screw result to the input of the custom UV node and make sure the fill to UV node is connected to the UV input. Using a blend node, I add the original tile to the background and the screw to layer 1, then experiment with opacity. This way, you can distribute something onto another pattern. For example, I can swap the screw for any other pattern, like a runes texture. The runes will be tiled according to the bounding box generated by the fill node, so now you can see it working.